Okay, we will okay, we will introduce how to design an industrial UAV. And previously we introduced the step 1 and the overview. And today we will introduce the step 2, demo our products. And in this section, there will be many area we need to introduce. So we set up separate parts. And so today, firstly, we will introduce the part 1, design introduction. Okay. Yeah, this is me, and I've been introduced before. I will never talk about this. Okay. So here we are in step 2, demo whether we can do it. Yeah, we will demo our products from the prototype design concept and build up the prototype and the testing and sort out the financial returns. Yeah, okay. So for demo, and we will split into separate area, such as design concept and prototype build up and performance test. Today, we will introduce the design concept in part 1, yeah, vehicle design. And we will introduce the overall layout, main components, and the design tags such as size, weight, etc. I don't put too much material here. This is decided by your very leisure market searching and your design target, such as what's your payload, what's your overall sizes, what's your competitiveness with other competitors. Okay. So today we only introduce the part 1, how to design a vehicle, and also in the following step we will introduce design verification, such as strength simulation, CFD simulation, and such as prepare for production and financial returns. And especially we will introduce the prototype build, sourcing, place order, prototype build, and lessons learned. And especially we also will introduce the performance test, such as how to work out a test plan, and the initial setup, performance testing, and the test report. Okay, I will share all these presentation in this website, our official website, www.spaceONtechnology.com. Okay. So design. High levelly, we will have a prototype design. We will have the series product design. Yeah. So from the prototype design perspective, we need to simplify each details and to make sure it can demo the performance, and also it could be a very low cost design. Yeah. So when we design a prototype, also we need to work out the series production. We need to make sure the prototype and the series production, the architecture should similar, and we can demo the performance. We can have the similar weight and sizes to make sure we can achieve our target. So for the prototype, the simplified frame, yeah, simplified frame here, very simplified, yeah, and common design with the industrial. Yeah, we need to design some concept is trial best that we can buy from the market. We don't need to kick off new tuning. We don't need to use some very special tools to assembly to build the prototype. Yeah, easy for purchasing. And we need to define prototypes target very clearly, and we can removing not functional necessary components. Okay, but for the series production, each area we need to make sure all the performance we could be demoed from the prototype. But also we need to think about how to realize it in the full series production to make sure in series production the concept should be produced easily and should be reliable, should be efficient for the manufacturing, and also the overall sizes are very competitive. So step 1, for prototypes and series production, and we need to clearly identify the performance-related components, such as battery, this is linked to the mileage, motor, ESC, this is power pack, and also propeller, this is decided our payload and our stability when flying, our autopilot also, and our sensors. This is very critical when we sensing the environment. Okay, and design tools, we use PTC, Kiro, and 3D model. We have the part, PRT assembly, and also we can sort out the step files. Okay. So here, this is the comparison between the prototypes and the series production. Yeah, for prototypes, these components, these brackets, we were using a very simple sheet metal brackets, and it's very easy for bending, and it's only need welding, and it's very cheap. Comparing this concept, this series concept, we need to have we need to have a casting and a tuning, and it's very expensive, and it's long lead time. So it's not a good way. Also, the cost is very high, so it's not a good idea when we perform the performance at a very early stage using this design concept. Okay, so we use a very simple frame, also very simple. You see, we use the aluminum alloy. This is standard part, and we can easily to buy in the market, and the brackets is also very easy, and the bar, this also is very easy to buy. Okay, so this parts is very easy, especially for these components, to make sure our design could be unfolded. So it's very easy. So for the prototypes, for the triple design, and we also tried our best to use the most simple design. All the components are existing and could be easily purchased from the market. All those connection supporting brackets we can buy from the market, and is the casting aluminum. But for the bar, yeah, for this bar, it's carbon fiber, yes. And for the series production, we will use aluminum pipe. Yeah, this we need to, how to say, we need to use the bending machine to bending it. Also, from the series production perspective, it's easy to build, but from prototype perspective, it's very complex. Okay, so for this one, also this is a newly built parts. Okay, and the next one is the prototypes. Prototype layout design is, you can see the overall layout is very easy to for assembly. You can see we use simple brackets, and also it's easy to buy from the market. All the brackets is easy to buy from the market, and also it's very easy to assembly. But for series production, also it's easy, but it's not difficult to buy, because this bar and this crossbar we have some casting aluminum alloy to fix it, and it's difficult to buy from the market. We need to machine it. Okay, this is a very high level introduction. Well, how we design and the prototype concept to demo the performance, and in the following steps we will introduce the other things. And if you have any questions, and you can leave it in our website, our social media, and I will try my best to record the video to explain. Okay, so this is our social media, and you can how to say access it. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye.